Today in this video let us take up Civil Procedure Code 1908 in which the topic chosen for today's discussion is the execution of degrees and also orders, which is coming under section 36 to 46. So actually the execution means தமிழிலே நிறைவேற்றுக என்று பெயர். கோர்ட்டிலே டிகிரி தருகிறார்கள். ஆர்டர், டிகிரிக்கு முன்னாடி ஆர்டர் கூட தருவார்கள். அந்த ஆர்டரை டிகிரியும் நிறைவேற்றுவது யாருக்கு இருக்கிறது, யார் நிறைவேற்ற வேண்டும், எப்படி நிறைவேற்ற வேண்டும் என்பதை பற்றி இந்த வீடியோவில் நாம் பார்க்க இருக்கின்றோம். ஒன்ஸ் கோர்ட்டு டிகிரி கொடுக்கப்பட்டு விட்டால் அது நிறைவேற்றப்பட வேண்டும். அப்பொழுதுதான் கோர்ட்டிலே உரிமை கேட்டு வழக்கு தொடுத்தவருக்கு உரிமையான நியாயம் கிடைக்கும் என்ற வகையிலே இந்த எக்ஸிகியூஷன் ஆஃப் கோர்ட் டிகிரி என்ற தலைப்பு பார்க்க இருக்கின்றோம். இதில் செக்ஷன் 36 டு செக்ஷன் 46 வரை பார்க்கின்றோம். இந்த 36 to 46 ஜூரிடிக்ஷன் ஆஃப் கோர்ட், ஒரு கோர்ட்டு டிகிரி கொடுக்கிறது, ஆனால் அதனால் நிறைவேற்ற முடியாமல் போகிறது. எனவே அந்த டிகிரி ஆர்டரை இன்னொரு கோர்ட்டுக்கு அனுப்பி அந்த கோர்ட்டானது அதனை நிறைவேற்றுகிறது. இவ்வாறு ஒரு கோர்ட்டிலிருந்து இன்னொரு கோர்ட்டு நிறைவேற்றுவதற்கு அந்த அதிகாரம் படைத்திருக்கிறது. இவ்வாறாக அதோடு அல்லாமல் இந்தியாவிலே இருக்கின்ற வழக்குகளை ஃபாரின் கோர்ட்டில் நிறைவேற்ற முடியும். அதே போல் ஃபாரின் கோர்ட்டிலே உள்ள வழக்குகள் இந்தியாவில் நிறைவேற்ற முடியும். இவைகளும் இந்த நிறைவேற்றுவதில் அடங்கும். இந்த நிறைவேற்றுவை பொதுவாக எவ்வாறு நடைபெறுகிறால், அந்த டிஸ்பியூட்டட் ப்ராப்பர்ட்டி அதனை பொசஷன் கொடுப்பது, அல்லது அதனை அட்டாச் செய்வது, அல்லது ரிசீவர் அப்பாயிண்ட் செய்வது, சில சமயம் சிவில் கோர்ட்டிலே அரெஸ்ட் பண்ணுவது அல்லது டிடென்ஷன் பண்ணுவது ஆகியவையெல்லாம் இவற்றில் அடங்கும். ஸோ இந்த கோர்ட்டு வழக்கான சிவில் வழக்கானது, உரிமையில் வழக்கானது நியாயம் கொடுக்கப்பட வேண்டும் என்ற விதத்திலே அந்த சொத்தை பொசஷன் கொடுப்பது, அட்டாச் பண்ணுவது போன்றவெல்லாம் அடங்கும். Now we will see the section one by one. Actually, the execution means the order degree is implemented or given effect to be inoperative. That is called execution of degree. So unless otherwise the degree is executed, the person who instituted suit cannot get the proper judgment. So for that the execution of degree is an important issue. The section 36 says the deemed to execution of orders also, as the execution of degree is treated on par with the execution of order also. So the execution of order and the execution of degree is to be treated on par with. That is dealt under section 36. And section 37, what it says, the jurisdiction of the court, it decides the jurisdiction of the court. Actually, where the property is situated, there the court proceedings should be conducted. And whenever the area, sometimes whenever the area has been transferred, then the execution of degree can be transferred transferred to another court. Then section 38, what it says, section 38, 39, 38, a degree may be executed, court which passed it. So actually the degree can be executed in the place where the degree is passed, or by the court which is sent for execution. Sometimes it is sent to the another court for execution. On the execution part, it can undertake the execution part alone, because the proceedings and other things have already been dealt in other court. That is, in the part of the area, suppose a part of the area, most of the area is coming under the jurisdiction of A, and a part is under the jurisdiction of B. Then where the question of execution comes, whether it is in the jurisdiction of A or jurisdiction of B. So it has come to the conclusion that the court which executed the degree can also have the jurisdiction of a part which is coming under the B. Or sometimes the proceedings part will go to A jurisdiction and the execution part will be transferred to the court of another, say B. Then the section 39, 40, 41, 42, these 4 sections deals with court to pass the degree to transfer should record the reason. Actually, a court transfer the case to some other court for execution. Then the court which undertaken the proceedings have to record the reasons for the execution of the degree in some other court. So that should be recorded under what circumstances or what for the execution part is transferred to some other court. So section 39, transfer of degree on application of a degree holder. So how it is undertaken? The degree holder or the judgment creditor have to apply and send it for execution in other court. Suppose if the interest of the party falls on another court, then he can apply for the transfer of the case. So the concerned party can apply under Form 6, can seek the court to transfer the case. Section 40 deals with the court in another state. Suppose the court can be transferred to some other state also, but the important thing is that the case will be dealt by the rules in that state. So actually the execution court may be in another state. So the how it should be executed, the rules and regulations is applicable, which is adopted by that state, by the executing state. And section 41 specifically says the court of second instance certify the failure to execute by the farmer. Actually the second court or the court of second instance, the court of first instance, the actual proceedings have been undertaken. The court of the second court or the executionary court should specifically certify the failure to execute by the farmer court. Why it cannot be executed in the farmer court, which has undertaken the proceedings, which has passed the degree. Then section 42 specifically says the court executing a degree shall have power in executing a degree as if it has. Actually the court which is executing the degree, that is in case of transfers, it can be done so, and it can be done so as if it has passed the degree. So the jurisdiction, you should have the jurisdiction to pass the degree as if it is having the power to pass the degree. And next 43, section 43, 44, 44A and 45. So section 43, 44, 44A specifically says about the execution of degrees that is passed in other courts in India. So there are two things. One is the execution in India, but the proceedings in foreign court, and the execution in foreign court, but proceedings have been undertaken in India. So this section 45 deals with the execution of degrees passed by Indian court but executed outside India. That can be done. And the execution of degrees passed in foreign court but it has been executed in India. These two things are possible. And section 46 says about the precept. The word precept means command. That means attach any property belongs to the joint debtor. It specifically gives the power to attach the property of the judgment debtor belongs to the judgment debtor. And section 51 specifically says the powers of the court to enforce execution. So it can have the powers to enforce execution in the form of the possession of the property, attachment of the property, and appointment of receiver. By this means the execution can be done. One by delivery, and second by attachment, third by arrest and detention in prison, and appointing a receiver. By these means the execution can be done. And section 38, a case study can be quoted, that is Mirla Ramana versus Nalla Aparaju. In this case, whether the transfer, whenever the transfer of execution is passed by one court, then whether it has to be undertaken, the execution power is with A or B, then it is with mostly it is with A, and in some cases B also. The another court, executing court, can also undertaken the execution of degrees. So with this we conclude this video.